In this playlist, we are solving HackerRank SQL questions. So I'm solving at least one question every video and uploading multiple videos. If you're watching this for the first time, please check out the whole playlist. And we are having a lot of fun writing SQL queries. Enjoy writing SQL queries with me. And I'm explaining SQL queries also. In the flow, I'm explaining a lot of SQL queries. Query all attributes for every Japanese city. Let's do a star here. From city, the country code for Japan is where country 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 code equal to Japan, right? JPN. It's a varchar value. Okay. Query all attributes of every Japan city in cities. Run this code. There might be a problem with saying attributes, so it wants me to write all the column names. Yes, I think so. ID comma name comma country 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 code comma district comma population from city. Let's run this. Country code equal to Japan. Wrong. What is the problem? Country code COUNTRY country code equal to JPN. Yeah, that is right. Select ID comma name and name com UNTRY COD country code comma DISTRICT population from city table. That's perfect. Where country code equal to unexpected token JPN. It's JPN, right? Yeah, Japan is JPN. In the city table, yeah, from city table. That's perfectly right. What is the problem where? I don't see a problem in this code. Everywhere I put comma. Let's put this in double quotes and see. Why is it throwing a problem? Wrong answer. Country code is varchar 2 of 3. Then that's perfectly fine. What is the problem? Country. Okay. COUNTRY CODE. Don't tell me. Till now I didn't use a semicolon. I'm not sure. I think it's the same. But anyways, guys, this is very simple query. I don't know why it was throwing an error. It's a simple query. All the attributes for every Japanese city. Basically, Japanese cities. The country code is Japan, so I want all the cities. So here I just mentioned country code as JPN. Country code is JPN. The city will describe this also. Okay, if you have any doubt, guys, please put it in the comment box and I will be very happy to answer your comments. Okay, so let's move to the next query. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.